So, how many of us today think that anger is a negative emotion and it should not be in people? Hello, everybody. I'm Mansi Sangvi Bhayani, who's going to break this myth today. Anger is a very, very, very important emotion which is supposed to be a part of your life. Without that emotion, you're not going to ever be complete. But एक कैच है इसमें द वे वी एक्सप्रेस एंगर हम जिस तरीके से इस गुस्से को दिखाते हैं सबकी तरफ दैट इज द एरिया वे यू नीड मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क सो एंगर my friends is a negative emotion but a very important emotion and it should be there in everybody but anger का जो underlying basis है it comes from frustration, fear, overthinking and also sometimes lack of taking care of your lifestyle. If you're not sleeping well, eating well, it's always going to lead to you reacting in ways which you're not going to like. So I'm going to tell you some methods of how you can manage your anger. The first way of managing your anger is identifying your triggers. You have to accept, oh, I'm getting angry whenever somebody is talking loudly to me. So the person speaking loudly to you is your trigger. The minute you identify this trigger, you start realizing that this is going to now evoke another response from me. ये जो emotion evoke होगा, it's going to come out in the form of shouting, anger, throwing something, etc. So how do we stop it? Start communicating with yourself. Do a lot of self-talk in this situation. So you have to make sure that you take a pause, you count 10 to 1, 10, 9, 8, 7. The cortisol will immediately come down. The second way is you step away from the situation and you pull yourself out of it because in that moment you don't want to do something which you regret later. The third important thing that you all should be doing is try and sing a rhythm in your mind to calm yourself at that moment because when you're angry, you're not able to think wisely at all. The fourth important thing is that if you are a regular person who gets angry like this, because you know your father used to get angry, you've seen it in the family, etc., or your mother used to get angry, you need to exercise it out so that it is channelized in the right way. So friends, after listening to this whole video, do you think anger is a bad emotion? It is not a bad emotion. It is an emotion which is important, but you need to express it nicely and communicate it through that, yes, I am feeling angry because I have so and so problem. So please leave me alone for some time. So these are a few ways. For more further details, do comment so that we can make a more deeper video in depth on how anger can be managed.